Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares. Today I will share a series of Willow products to you here, including Willow box, Willow basket, and Willow hampers. Recent years, we are adding new features to our Willow products to make it not only functional use but also well decorated, such as the tassels, pom-poms. So these two single one, a larger one, the single ones are cheaper than the sides. Length is 42, 33, and the height 16 without handles. You can put it in your living room to store magazines, toys, or children's toys. Let me introduce you my favorite single Willow products. I use it for breakfast, to store bread, juice, and put it on my dining table. It's really fantastic. The size is 30, and 10 centimeter. It is a black and white liner. It's cute, I really love it.